Ooh. Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, Najah Marie, back with another video. And today I am so happy to say that we're gonna be unboxing some stuff. So without further ado, here goes nothing. All right, so lately, or I guess from the last 2 videos that I posted to my channel, at the time that I filmed those videos, I was using my iPhone, which I'm currently filming with right now. But fairly recently I purchased some new equipment today on Amazon, and the equipment came a few days ago, but I had to wait for everything to come in so I could show everything to you guys. I'm just really excited to open these boxes, and I know you are too, so let's see what I got. Okay, now I didn't label the boxes or anything, so I don't know what is in these boxes. So now we're gonna figure that out. Oh my goodness, Okay, so what do we have in box number 1? Packaging. Ooh. So the first thing that I bought is from Power Extra. I don't understand. Oh my goodness, why? Why did I literally can't remember what I bought, and I bought this stuff like 2 weeks ago. Oh, okay. So basically, I got batteries, extra batteries. Dang, these things are small. I hope I got the right ones. But yeah, a battery charger plus extra batteries and the charging cable. Next, I have a screen protector, you know, because obviously when you're buying new equipment, like what I'm about to show you, which if you probably haven't guessed by now is coming up soon, you need a screen protector to keep your things from being scratched. And I also bought a lens filter from KNF Concept. These were apparently like the most purchased on Amazon. So I bought one for the specific kind of camera that is in the next box, which I will open promptly. Okay, so now that I have the first box open, I have something else too. I also bought a neck strap for the device. I mean, if you haven't already guessed by now, it's the camera. This is just me being extra with it. This is the camera strap so that when I'm filming stuff, I don't have to use the wrist strap that comes with most cameras. I can just, you know, put it around my neck. Ooh, this is comfy. Yeah, I can put it around my neck and obviously use it, especially when I go traveling and stuff like that. Sometimes I don't like to use the wrist strap too much because it starts to get in the way, and it also gets in the way when I'm filming videos like this one where I'm sitting down or something like that. So this definitely comes in handy. And now it's time for the big reveal. What kind of camera equipment did you buy, Najah? I purchased Sony zve-10 as well as the vlogger kit that comes with it. It doesn't actually come with it. You have to buy this separately. And this is basically just the gimbal tripod, and they even gave you a memory card. So that's cool. So I have another memory card to add to my collection. But now let's get to the camera, and before I forget, I forgot to unbox this. I was so excited about the camera, I completely forgot that I ordered the tripod. So we have that memory card, more instructions. a little carrying case and the actual thing itself, plus some poppable things. Hopefully I can figure out how to use this thing. I will be reading my instructions fairly promptly. It's actually really sturdy, which I am pleasantly surprised about, because from the pictures it looked kind of, how do I put this? It looked cheap based on the pictures, but now that I have it in my hands, it's a pretty sturdy piece of equipment, and now I understand why this is about maybe $100 and something. Yeah, this is actually really, really cool. It's obviously screwed on. Alright, so now that we have this, time for me to open up the box. What is with me and opening up boxes? Oh my god.
12 seconds later.
Upon opening the box, I have my instructions, as if anybody reads these, let's just be honest. Manual guide, a wrist strap, I presume. Another wrist strap. It's actually kind of long, which is cool too, so we'll see how this works. Oh, a little, gosh darn it, I forgot what this thing is called. An adapter, I presume for the batteries. What appears to be a battery, which is also kind of making me nervous because I hope I didn't buy the wrong kind of third-party batteries to use with this camera. And then the charging cable to go with the adapter and the battery. And now if I could just get the camera out of the box. Whoa, okay, so it already comes with the lens attached to the body. I thought it would have been separate, so I would have to install it basically. This is it. Oh my gosh. I am really excited to use this thing, mostly because filming with my phone is cool and all, but especially for my art videos, or really if I'm traveling or something like that, using my phone isn't always feasible, and sometimes like the quality isn't the way that I would like it. Plus also in cases like these, I can't actually see myself and how I look on camera right now, so I have to keep like getting up to check to see if I'm in frame and everything. Whereas with the Sony zve-10, I won't have that problem because it has a retractable viewfinder that doesn't fully articulate, which kind of sucks a little bit, but this is awesome for when I'm vlogging. In fact, let's put in the battery. Well, I don't know, hopefully this camera turns on once I figure out how to turn it on. Okay, well, it appears to me that Hunty, you need to charge your battery. I'm gonna charge this, and then you guys will be able to see the difference in quality. Yeah. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Toodles!